Well, Rajesh, there are also internet worms that you may need to tackle.
Internet worms? What are these, Nandita ma'am?
When it comes to worms that are created in the internet, they are programs which are completely autonomous. These worms are very infectious and mostly use an infected machine to scan the internet for other susceptible machines. And after locating and infecting them, the worm will begin the process again.
Nandita ma'am, how can we tackle these kind of threats?
There are some ways experts have devised to confront worms created in the internet. To avoid internet worms, the first thing you should do is to install the latest operating system. After that, you should check the security updates in your system. This is very important as the internet worms are at times created to exploit recently discovered security issues on not yet updated machines.